Alright guys, long time no talk, I guess. Let me see what's going on here. Let me close this. So it's been wild here these last few days. As you can see, I still need a haircut. I still need a lot of stuff done. But what we're dealing with here is, okay, we finally got the yellow truck back. Now, try to alpha OBD some stuff, get the heated seats in here, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. This is the radio out of the green Ram. And the radio that was in this truck is now in the green Ram. So the radios of the truck switch. For some reason, this truck does not like playing sound out of that U-Connect. I don't know. But it plays sound out of this other U-Connect, which is weird, but fine, I guess, because we have sound. The subs work, but amp always goes into protect mode. So we're getting a different amp here, and gonna throw that in this afternoon as well. So I tried to alpha OBD some stuff, and I tried to I changed the trim to be a Longhorn, but in that, the brake light is always on. That airbag light is on because something over here is messed up. But I think that might be because the tradesman seat might not have had an airbag, but this one now does. So, I don't know. This is crazy. There are little things to find out here and there, and obviously the ABS lights are on because of the ABS module that goes bad on all these trucks. So it's been wild, very wild. So we're gonna fix the amp, do all that stuff, and we should be good to go. But the point of this video is these Versa tires. As you can see, we're driving. This thing is glass at any speed, which is absolutely nice. Like I said, I had to get the Furies off there because there was a vibration the whole way to Tennessee, and I didn't like that. But this thing can, like, even at 48, 50, 60, 70, it's glass, and I mean glass. The smooth tires with the airbags, this is an unbelievable ride. I'll get out here in a second. You'll see that I wasn't gonna drive this in the rain, but I've missed it so much I just went for it, and very bad choice because this thing is filthy now, and I mean filthy. Yeah, the whole side of the truck is dirty. The hitch is dirty. Everything's dirty. If you didn't notice that, I'll show you guys that too. We got the hitch powder coated. We've done a lot of small things behind the scenes, you know, trying to tackle all these trucks at once. Mike was with me, but now he's headed down like an hour south to pick up a fuel return line for his motor so we can put that back together, the new head gasket, all that stuff in there, the studs. It's been a freaking wild Daytona crunch, let me tell you, and I was not expecting any of this. As you guys know, this truck was done, and then I just started to touch things, and in the next video that you guys see, we're gonna touch more things, and a lot of you will like that one. You guys will definitely like that one in the next video, but it's just been crazy. But I want to give you guys some in-cab action with these. I'll roll the windows down so you can hear the tires on the road. This is at 43, nothing too fast, nothing too crazy, but they're smooth, and I will honestly say they are no louder than Furies. If anything, they may in fact be quieter. So I can't freaking complain. These Versa tire, dead smooth, pretty darn quiet. Granted, they are brand new, but these brand new Versa tire and the brand new Furies, I'll almost give the decibel award to the Versa tire right here, because they are quiet. Like I said, I got Furies on my green truck. Absolutely nothing wrong with them. That truck is dead smooth. Dead smooth. But on this truck, slight vibration. So we had to do that because it's a 14-hour drive in this thing, and I really wasn't dealing with that the whole way down. I didn't realize there was a bump there. So, like I said, you guys can see I drove this not far at all, and this thing is caked, like caked up. But these Versa tire, honestly, very aggressive, but for what they are, super quiet. Also to mention, they are directional, so you will have to mount two, and if you take them somewhere, make sure they know they are mounting two this way, as you can see. And then also two this way, because if they mount them the other way, the tread that digs in will literally be facing the wrong way. So other than that, super quiet, super smooth, it's pretty much straight up highly recommended. That thing, aha, fixed the train horns, but that thing looks good. Oh, these colors look so freaking good together. I can't wait to Honestly, cannot wait to have both these in Daytona, not only on the beach, but in the Speedway. But yeah, guys, this thing looks, oh, it looks so freaking good. Alright guys, well that's actually going to do it for today's video. I apologize it's so short, but we've done a lot of stuff. As you can see, this thing needs fully detailed. There's just a million things that need done before we can even get to Daytona. Like I said, these Versatire guys, they're doing the job. And to be honest, they fling less rocks than Furies as well. And that's a thing, like the way the tread pattern is designed, I've heard not even one hit my paint yet. Not even one. So that's like super interesting. Like I said, I can't complain on these guys. They ride super nice, super smooth, and they're quiet all the way around. Honestly cannot complain. So like I said, these are a 33 1350 on a 24 by 14. I will say they did take some force to stretch. Also, mind you, stretching tires not recommended and not within manufacturer's spec. This is probably the max stretch I would ever do. I would never try and fit a 1250 onto a 1450. As you can see, we only have a 1/4 inch of stretch on each, which is literally, like I said, I never wanted to stretch tires in the first place, but that's where we ended up in this kind of time. So like I said, this is probably the most I'd ever stretch a tire. Just a 1/4 inch on each side, and like I said, they ride smooth, they balance decently well, and they're very quiet as of now. As the as the lugs wear down, we'll see where that goes. But like I said, these are an incredible tire, and honestly, like I said, they make a lot of weird sizes as well, for 24s, 26s. I don't know if they have 28s yet. I think they do, but they make a lot of weird sizes as well, like 36 1450s, and they're gonna start doing a lot of the other weird sizes too. So honestly, can't complain. And they kind of look really good. I was never a fan of the directional tires because you can only rotate them front to back, unless you really dismount them, and I probably won't do that. But I am extremely pleased with these Versatire here. In the next video, it's actually already filmed and already done. We did something to this truck. And you guys are gonna love it, trust me. It's something you guys wanted me to do forever. Honestly, you guys have been begging me since I got this truck to do this mod, and we finally did it. And maybe from this angle, you guys can tell kind of the cool little mod we did. But the next video will probably go up Saturday, and you guys, that's probably the last video you'll see before we're in Daytona, and then we can finally stop crunching, and when we get back, we can finally knock out that first gen, because I'm dying to do that. I want that classic. I don't know what I'm going to do about this light bar. There's moisture in it, but I might just roll with it, because I don't know at this point. There's just too much going on for me to even start doing something else. So I want to say thank you guys for your support. Also, we got a lot of stuff here. So if you're in Daytona, a lot of merch there, a lot of stuff like that ready for you guys. Stop by the booth, stop by the tent, come pick something up. A lot of people are wondering about your orders for the Eco Diesel giveaway. I want to say thank you to all of you who participated in the Eco Diesel giveaway. Those orders, we're working on them. Like I said, we've got so much going on, and we're doing it all the best we can and catching up on stuff. And is vinyl in stock, or this in stock? Can I get this? Can I not? Can I print these? How much time? Like, there's a lot of stuff. So like I said, your order will ship soon, trust me. Like, that's why the top of the website says like 5 to 10 days of processing. So just bear with us, and I appreciate all of your support. If you're in Daytona, I will have stuff for you guys there to pick up. We got lots of stuff for you guys. So stop by the booth, check us out. This will be there. Green truck will be in the Wehrli booth. A couple of the other trucks we just built in these recent videos will be there as well. So come check us out, come say hi, come hang out. And if you're in Daytona, have a blast, because it is honestly a time and a half. I just want to say thank you guys for your support. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.